Now children, now it is time to do such exercises which will help you to read the sentences, understand it, and whatever concept you have learned in this chapter, you can relate that concept with this sentence and you can identify the sentence ma'am has written correctly or not. If it is correct, then you have to write true. If it is not correct, then you have to write false. So for that, you have to read the sentences and you have to understand it. Okay? So let's start. Write true or false. Okay? Number one. A cup can hold more tea than a jug. Suppose you are offering tea to your mother and you will take a cup and give it to your mother, and after preparing tea, perhaps your auntie has poured that tea in the jug. But suppose, and you are offering tea to your mother in a cup. Now, which one can hold more? A cup can hold more tea or a jug can hold more tea? So, a jug can hold more tea, a cup can hold less tea which you are offering to your mother. So, what is the sentence? You have to understand. A cup can hold more tea than a jug. That means here in the sentence it is saying cup can hold more, jug can hold less. So, this is not correct. Correct sentence will be jug can hold more than a cup. So, what you have to write? False. 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 You can write F also. Okay. Now, second number. The capacity of a water tank is more than a bucket. You have seen water tank on the terrace. In the school also you have seen nearby Mont class one black color water tank is there, that is syntax tank. Everyone house are having a tank which store water for the use of whole day. So what is the sentence? The capacity of water tank is more than a bucket. Bucket we are generally using in the bathroom. That is small in size, but the volume of a water tank, the size of a water tank is bigger than the bucket. So the water tank can hold more water than compared to a bucket. So it is written that the capacity of a water tank, that means whatever water that water tank can hold is more than a bucket. Is correct? So we will write true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay. Now next one. 2 spoonful of oils. Mother is using oils in the kitchen while preparing food. So 2 spoonful of oils are equal to 1 bottle of water. 1 bottle of water you are keeping in the fridge. 2 spoonful of oil, is it equal to 1 bottle of water? No, not at all. The bottle of water can hold more water and 2 spoonful of oil can hold less oil compared to 1 bottle of water. So it is equal. They are saying equal. Both are equal. No, not at all. Is it? So we will write it false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay? Okay. Fourth number. A pitcher can hold less water than a spoon. What is pitcher? You have heard the story of the crow and water. What did the crow has done? He was thirsty, he was trying to drink water, but he cannot reach to the water level because the water level was very down. So he takes spoons and drop it into the pitcher. That is called pitcher. The pot which was used to store for drinking water. That is called pitcher. And after putting many stones, when the level of the water is come up. The crow drank water and flew away. So this is called pitcher, the pot which is used to store water for drinking. That is called pitcher. So a pitcher can hold less water than a spoon. Is it correct? The size of the pitcher is more. If you fill it, the water hole in that pitcher will be more than a spoon. So here it is written pitcher can hold less water. So it is not correct. So this is also false. Okay. This way you have to read, think, and then you have to write is it true or is it false. Okay. Pitcher can hold less water than a spoon. It is not correct. So we have written false. Now, milk, juice, oil, water are liquid things. It is written milk, water, oil, all are liquid things. It is correct? No, that is why we are measuring their capacity. It is not solid. It takes the shape of the container where we pour it. So it is, these all are liquid things. It is correct. So true, and T-R-U-E. True we will write. Okay. Last one. We need many mugs of water to fill a bucket. When you are taking bath, if the bucket is empty, you will open a tap and you will wait for the bucket to fill, or what you will do, you will take a mug, fill the mug and pour that mug full of water into the bucket. So if you try to fill the bucket with the help of mug, many mugs are needed. It is written in that sentence. So it is true. We write true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay. So this way, children, this is your time to watch the video. You have to read the sentences of your own. Try to understand what is there in the sentences and think, is it correct or not? Then you will write the answer as true or false. Okay. So watch the video. Clear?